and welcome to a new episode of your favorite program when I talk to the camera with me, Kona Sise, concerning some grumble where people on the grumble at the public. Today we can work out for talk to people about the issue we get for do with the deportation of some Sierra Leoneans them way they in Germany. We want to know from them people here, so what are their own views on this particular issue? What are the message we then go send to the ambassador where they represent Sierra Leone and Germany? They will listen to them as they give you their own views on this particular topic. Hello and welcome to this interview. Me na Kona Sise from Sierra Network Press. Now for introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Anes Samuel Palmer.
As a Sierra Leonean, what do you think about the issue where they on ground we get for do with the German authority and with fellow Sierra Leoneans them within Germany?
Well, for me, I think the government need for establish a relationship wherein they get for stick to the people them, the struggles the way they go through and try for aid them out. You know, it really easy. So man, they try for left salon for go get a brighter future. But if one way or the other it don't happen now, say then go get themselves and fall on victim. I think the government for intercede for help them out.
You talk about some man they try for left Sierra Leone for go get brighter future. Let we talk about we country Sierra Leone. What are some of the reasons the way you feel say somebody go there and not get bright future?
The job opportunity now one. Then cost of living. You know, it's not really easy for some man. When you don't get yourself graduate, your families, your relatives, they expect much from you. You know, in terms of living, maybe you come out from a poor family, then we expect say they don't get, somebody will go come rescue the family out of poverty. They are able for can secure a good job. So people can watch them say, with that, now try for make a haste, now move out of the country. Due to that haste, some man can go get themselves shot. And at the colon, we ambassadors them within the various countries and they for help that we Sierra Leonean brothers and sisters and they don't fall victim. When they go cry to them, they make sure say they join heads together. They get on to the president within a year and see how best they go for help them.
When you talk about people they travel for going to other countries for go find greener pastures, people go wonder about the legal ways them way person they travel. What do you go talk about illegal means of traveling?
Me not go advise anybody for travel in legal way for go overseas because you damage yourself. You not get any guarantee where you go show forth say your safety well assured. But the one we are in, you go travel, the process legal, everything legal, your accommodation don't get set. I think Sedan are the best, but then you travel where say the process not illegal. You go now other man country, get side for go sleep, begin for try for seek asylum, all that stuff there is somehow stressful. But we are in, if you don't go through the process, you beat life by process. I believe Seland will be the best. So me advice to Sierra Leoneans there. I know say life not easy, but it's not necessary for let people risk their life where say I want to go overseas all in the name of go make life.
So what's going to be your final message to the government of Sierra Leone in regards to the concern the way you say people they travel for go overseas for go find better jobs?
Me advice to the government let them try for get a heart like a Combra wherein then go pity pardon with brothers them we don't get themselves stranded over there. Then let we put this politics business aside and let we work as Sierra Leoneans, the one that we get the opportunities for establish factories, for establish 1, 2, 3 jobs, let we all come together and see how Mama Salongo go before.
Plenty thank you to you.
Thank you very much.
Hello and welcome to this interview. Kona Sise from Sierra Network. Please introduce yourself.
Mina, then they call me Saji.
All right, Saji. As a Sierra Leonean, what do you think about the issue on ground how we get for do with the German authorities and Sierra Leoneans them within Germany?
Well, really, na tiwe, easy really. It's really painful because you get your brother and go by their side for go find you. Living no say this country is not easy. Instead of try for they go by and for go try, can't see them kind of obstacle here, not easy really. Me they apologize to the to the governor, what they say, the big man the way they in charge, way like with governments, the head one, the one the day before, made them fight for them people and they no return. Because if you return, it's too fearful.
You mentioned say this week country here is not easy. Somebody go wonder how it's not easy, and what are some of the things then where you go point out way for make you talk say it's not easy.
Well, this is another tell person. You then at the ground, you don't say really not to Tiwe, then they talk but not to Tiwe na easy tax. You know easy for really the grassroots people. I not denying the one they own the high politician them and then go say okay, but you na grass man where you fend your hand too much, you know easy, and God make you begin come up from here, you go over that side, there, go fend money, then you turn you back for Kana really if you know that they frustrate, you don't see.
In such a situation, let's say be it then come back na salon. What if you see the government need for do for them?
Well, I want that the government pay attention to them, and of course that the government for any kind means me no want make them return. Even self the one they were there before they were out and call them the one they were now leader than they before they were then send as ambassador, make them team up for them fight for them. They see where them people and they go succeed and back again. But if you like how you ask the question, say make them come back again, well, any kind where the government pay attention to them, encourage them because now salon people them. No need no day for abandon them for look them like that way they made them not frustrate again.
Alright. You dey plead for make them not go return. Let we talk about the one we get for do with the things that will make somebody for glad for dinner Sierra Leone. What thing what you feel say the government need for do towards that side? Eh?
Well, the government them this country, but could don't fail we. And that make most of the youths then they frustrate. You don't see way make some people if you see them go under for they then return a problem for them. If the government them they make the country look better for young people them, it was better. People are not for worry for go before. People are not for worry. And even they said in the deport, they said they're not for to worry. And go no say yes. This will country okay. They do more than this. Me they talk to the government. Then the government pay attention to the citizens of this country for help them. They don't see for they help we the citizens. Waiting go better for we.
For at all what you don't say so, what's going to be your final word? The message where you go send to we brothers and sisters and within Germany.
Well, me they talk to me, therefore for me brother and sister they holding in Germany. Me they say, well, if in a sorry matter be, they say me then return, then take and so, and come peaceful. What's them be the party, then focus on and back. You don't understand. Waiting anything what God mark for you, then they, of course, you know go balance them. You see, make them patient and courage back.
Plenty thank you to you.
Okay, thank you, Mama.
Hello and welcome to this interview. Today we will talk about this particular issue we get for do with the deportation of some of the Sierra Leonean brothers and sisters and within Germany. And we go look for know. What is your own view on this particular issue?
Well, thank you very much. And for start first, I must tell una thank you for me una able for come out na the public for our best for try to get the opinion of the public. I tell una thank you because na a very good advocacy una dey try for do. And with regards to the issue of jamming of the deportation, really the issue is so pathetic because for make brothers and sisters come out Salonia and they try for go out there or go seek for greener pasture. At the end of the day, get any kind of message there, really is so pathetic. It's so really pathetic. So what's my own view with regards to this issue? I just want to make government see reason for see how best we go able for allow them people and they make them able for live under their own life. Yes, because if you say how they are back, you don't know. Maybe one way or the other, some of them they under way they say them go there because of one way or the other. All man go for go find your own survival. So if they say then they deport them how they are back, and officer necessary.
Which effect you feel say this go get in Sierra Leone, Sierra Leone in general?
Well, it gets a very negative effects we get for give towards Sierra Leoneans. You know, like one, if they come one way or the other, some people in the will be say they get 1, 2, 3 issue with documentation. So then come under then kaya how then we for make again. So it no go easy. Then they I believe one of the effects then they will get for Hamburg with people Sierra Leoneans.
So when you talk about problems with documentations, somebody go ask, what do you think about the illegal way where some people can normally travel for go overseas, where not get correct documents them?
Well, I believe say, you know, now the situation within the country, I think can cause that. Because some people in there no can pass the right way. So now that makes some people and can use the backyard. Now that's make I feel say now that's not the reason of documentation.
So what do you feel say government need for do in order for put an end to this backyard where people can normally pass for go abroad?
Government need for put things in place. They need for make sure say then create employment in the country. You know, the condition of service, the condition of living of people, you need for be somehow okay to the country because of all that stuff then they know they are available in the country make some people and they seek for greener pasture. But really if really we get all the necessary things in this country in terms of employment, we get a better job, better paid, and you know they sack people unlawful in the country. You know all that they lead to depression, stress, make some people and they decide to go use another way, another means for like we will find me survival.
So finally, what thing go be your word where you go send to people and where they listen and watch, especially the one the way they in Germany?
Well, the people in Germany and the people in Sierra Leone, I will just start with the one the way they in Sierra Leone because now we in one way or the other, lost some of courage because wherever we look at them, the country you know easy. When I said on they see the kind way how the country they go, you know really easy. So Lord just sum up courage. Lord see our best. God will change situation for we. And so me people every day in Germany, made themselves just stay calm, made them believe say Allah will make it possible for them. They not just left here, not just left here because I feel for left here. Now because of certain circumstances make when I said decide for say Lord left this country, Lord go. Because like how I be don't outline all them things and if they didn't place them, I believe say no will just come on our country for going on that side because here in terms of freedom, yeah, they get 100% freedom. But because you go to that country at the end of the day, you know 100% slave free. Because you want to do something, they must ask you where you permit, where you this, where you that. So Lord just sum up courage. God will must make it possible for you.
Plenty thank you to you.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Hello and welcome to this interview. As a Sierra Leonean, what do you think about this issue we get for the deportation of some Sierra Leoneans them within Germany?
Well, I don't feel saying a fine thing to them because they don't try, they don't go yonder for let them go able for make their own way for survive them and their family within Ayaso. But if they say for let them can Ayaso, we within Ayaso for the suffer. With the strain within Asaluna. So if they say they can't join me now, work no day, they're not getting anything that they can do. It's not go easy for them. It's not go easy for them and their family at all. So with the big Papa government and the other one they were concerned, let them left the outside and they. At least I know say some of the outside and they so then get work, then get in the way then they do the way then they able forget their living. But if they get can so they're not getting no starting, they're not getting anything that they can do. It will be frustrating to them. So we talk to Papa government, do ya? We plead for them. Let them left the outside and they. Let them they do it with the big.
You being a woman, let we talk in that kind of position there for you company woman they within Germany and you know how if you say it go talk for them as a woman for return like your country.
It's not go find no, it's not easy because we company woman in this country right now. We see beaucoup they don't turn prostitute. make Musa they sell so na net. If you see woman them with the kana parari work. Then if they want and they can come over under then kana so with it, they can say the girl and get for Bokuna street pass how we they see them so now. So they are with the big. Let them one they no can join me now again.
So you talk about the one enough for can join with a Sierra Leone again, and you talk about where then they go now for go firm better team for themselves. Let we talk about what in government for they do for woman them na salon, where for make them glad for stay in their country.
Well, me I believe say the two way Papa government for do for with the woman them. Now this country, people and they will not land book better. But at least they go fair way for the way they go able for land, or they can give some people and business money. At least where they say go able for they do small thing. They will not they know go parage business or any bad thing way. We believe say woman not for deeper. Papa government for try for help with the woman there.
So what's going to be final what way they send to Papa government and so you compare woman within a Germany?
Well, I want to talk to Papa government. Do you he left the one the way they woman who left them, they the one that we get him for do they do ya, and I talk to me company woman the way they under. If you they under, I want for let you also any two way they do, let you all out one. Any small two way they do, take out all seriousness. It's not easy for we in a salon so if you come say they can't join you now, come on now, then I be the money. Then I'm your message Jandy.
Plenty thank you to you.
Okay, thank you.
Hello to you, sir, and welcome to this interview. Me na Kona Sise from Sierra Network Press. Now for introduce yourself.
Me na Pa Almami Koroma. I dey sell na PWD Junction.
Pa and Mami Koroma, as a Sierra Leonean, what do you think about the issue we get for do with some Sierra Leoneans them within Germany, then deportation one?
I'm not so glad because then people then they Germany. Then they get people in Aya, and most of we they benefit from them, either direct or indirectly. So no go allow them who can't join we back because the way they are the hardship is too much.
You mentioned say the way we they are the hardship is too much. Let me talk about the hardship within a salon.
Well, the hardship within a salon, if you look at any angle, you dey feel am. You camp and the rest don't go up. You can't matter of transportation, it don't go up, petrol don't go up, most commodities and price they go up every day. Every day the cheese they go up. So that they cause the hardship the money winner. So for people then they under they will send 2-3 cents for them people that then they are it better than they can't join we back. Wouldn't join we now more hardship they come into it. So I make not glad for that situation the way they happen at Germany. If we the government go fend way, this deportation no go happen. So now that's my own view.
Let the government go find way for this deportation not go happen. In a case where the government decide for come for assistant people let me so. Let we talk about now the one that within a Sierra Leone currently. You don't talk about the hardship them way then they go through. What in government for do for them?
Well, government get beaucoup thing for do. You know say government are the daddy of the country. So beaucoup people and they like then youth then better work now better business nowadays because all the commodity that they dear better business nowadays. So some man they get small thing they want go use them for buy 2-3 things they no go able to afford for buy them thing then they. So all things just scatter at the country. So then get for bring can jobs and at the country if way they then bring can companies and all they go able to employ people then. Yes, so now that's me want for that they go do. So the country, if money they inside the country go sweet. But when they see the money in the country, you see, so the hardship number now they see. All thing they do every day, all thing they do, they're not able to control price, like price list for control the price of the goods in the country. If they're able to control the price, and mostly the ports. Because any businessman where they ask them big businessman, they say the ports now they the problem the taxation don't go up and then say back the for pull one container inside the port yonder you get beaucoup attachment that we get for work inside the port today before you pull out. So inside and get for pull all that money they now from their commodities and they so the government get for look inside and they all. And the extensions, how they extend things then at the country, make beaucoup group, money they go beaucoup side. Then get for lock some holes then. You see? Like then ministers, they don't make beaucoup ministers then. Yes, they don't ace the salaries of people then, who salary not for go up to that extent. All that they are with the poor and them. Because we need the able forget to forget now. See, huh? So now that's me they see.
For at all, what you don't talk, so what go be final word to the government and also to the one day where they listen and watch you within Germany?
They plead to the government. Inshallah, I want the government go put on to what they happen in Germany. Any kind way we then get, because after God now government. Any kind way we then get for make ladder process they no go occur for let them go deport them people then let them fair any kind way for let them people that go stay under because they able help we who they are. One way or the other, people then people then either we they get from them direct or indirectly. But if they deport them people there, then can't do anywhere. I think it go more now. That we don't come out from the boiling pot to the fire. So it go more now. So let the government find any kind of way they go try. Let them they no go be. So now that advice I get for the government.
Plenty thank you to you.
Okay, thank you, ma.
Viewers, una self don't listen and watch as people don't give their own views on what they think about this particular issue. We get for do the deportation of some Sierra Leoneans them within Germany. They don't cry out to the government, to the ambassador within Germany for say, then for look inside this issue here so and pardon them people here for them see and say na a great stress and pain it will be to them people here if they deport and come back in a salon. Me will bring the program come to you today. My name is Kona Sise. Until we meet back to a new episode of Talk to the Camera. I say tata.